Yo, what is up guys? It is J Ricky Smalls and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the MovieBox Pro, guys. So I do have a guide with many of these other tutorials, but today we're going to be covering the MovieBox Pro. And guys, the website today, it's going to be called appbing.org. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys directly onto my iOS device. As you guys can see, I'm on my iOS device. And I'm on the website already. It's called appbing.org. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to search it. So you want to go ahead and just type appbing.org into your browser directly like that. So if you're on iOS or Android, it works for both. So go ahead and click search and we're on the website. So it does have many other applications and I have covered many of them, but I'm going to be showing you the MovieBox Pro one. Show you guys it is working. I have tested it and it's using the latest technology of an app injection. So what you need to do is go ahead and read a little bit about it. And then you want to go ahead and click get started. So doing this will start the app injection. And this is pretty simple, guys. It is the latest technology. Many people haven't heard of this, but what you have to do is install 2 apps off this list and it will inject the MovieBox directly onto your device. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this first app called Solitaire Deluxe. Okay, go ahead and click open. I've already installed this so you guys don't have to wait around and wait for it to finish. So I'm going to go ahead and just pretty much click around. That's all you got to do. As you guys can see, I've already had it open earlier for about a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and just click around. And guys, make sure you do possibly connect to Wi-Fi. Because connecting to Wi-Fi will help it extract much quicker. So go ahead and just click around and leave it open for about 30 seconds. And I've already done this, guys, so I'm going to make it a little short. I'm just trying to show you guys how you should do it when you are trying to install it for the first time. So I did leave it open for about 30 seconds. What you want to do now, head back to the app injection page and you want to install a second one. So it says 2 apps. So I guess they weren't able to cram it all in one app. Go ahead and open up Solitaire 300. Okay, I did install this one as well. Go ahead and click open. So some of these apps may have issues. So I do suggest you maybe trying 3 of them, or if you don't have any issues with the ones you install, then I mean you're fine then. But some of the apps may have issues like I was having earlier. But I'm gonna go ahead and click the X. Looks like there's some type of ad, and click the X again. Okay, so I'm into the application now, guys, and it looks pretty similar. All you gotta do is click around. So these are just like little janky apps, like they're not like they're just on the App Store so people can get MovieBox Pro. So there's no real use to these apps, but yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good idea, and the guy that did develop this is really smart. So I'm going to go ahead and just click through here, and I said about 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds, that's what it says on the tutorial. So let me go ahead and wait. It's 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and head back to the page, and at the bottom it says checking completion. So guys, it's going to check your device. It's going to see if the full download was successful. And what you want to do now is go ahead and go to your home screen. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my home screen. And I'm going to swipe to the right. And I'm going to be looking for the MovieBox Pro. So guys, there is MovieBox Pro, guys. So this is working as of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And as you guys can see, I have tried many other ones. There's MovieBox, there's Minecraft, Spotify++. And yep, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. The website, again, I'm going to give you one more show. It's appbing.org. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys.